guys, what's up? It's me, Tima, and I'm back with a new video. I haven't been filming in a while because of this whole moving thing. As you can see, I'm in a whole different apartment. We have an upstairs and downstairs, which is really cool. So I won't be doing a room tour though until I'm pretty much done decorating the place, and that's not going to be probably until after this whole thing blows over with everyone getting sick and stuff. But I wanted to give you guys kind of a little bit of a break in between what's going on. I did already film a video just talking about my experience during this whole process, but I wanted to come on today with an Eggie haul because they had 80% off of the website for March or for spring. So I just got a few things. I think I saved, well, I don't know, but it says that my total was supposed to be $253, but I only ended up spending $60. So that says a lot basically, but everything on the website is very well made. And just really quick, going back to what I was saying from before, I've already done a get ready with me, just talking about how I'm dealing with the whole quarantine thing. I've been quarantining for like what, almost a week now, so it's been a pretty good experience. It's just sometimes I do feel down and more isolated more than usual because I'm already always inside. So not really being able to leave the house and do normal things like usual, it's a lot harder to deal with, but that's okay still. I'm still trying to be as productive as possible and just stay inside. But yeah, it's a lot to deal with. So I hope that you guys are also doing okay. Let me know down below how you guys are also feeling, because I know we're just going through a lot at this point in time. But I'm gonna go ahead and go through all the outfits for this video that I got. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm a size 8 to 10, and the first time that I wanted to actually order from Eggie, I was afraid to because the sizes actually looked a little bit too small for me. I will say that I got everything in between a size small to a medium. So around my hips is a size 39. My waist I think is a size 27 to 28 at the moment. So I did gain some weight over the holidays, but I was able to get a size medium and I think around 2 to 3 items, and I got a size small for the top, or actually 2 tops I got a size small. And also they're doing workout size, so if you hear anything extra going on, that's what they're doing. There's a lot of hammering going on right now. So the first thing that I bought was this little jumpsuit here. On the website, it actually looks like a 2-piece, but it actually goes together. I've always wanted a jumpsuit. I was actually looking at ones that did have sleeves, or either a short sleeve look or a long sleeve look. And it's got a denim material, but it is like a nice pastel muted pink, more of like a millennial pink, to be honest. The price of this item was originally $68, and it's called the 9 to 5 jumpsuit. I actually got this in a size medium because my hips are a bit bigger, and it actually ended up fitting me. I thought it was going to be a little bit too small still. I was debating whether I should get a large in each thing, but it does seem to go true to size. This fit me really well. The quality is amazing, and it has a nice little stretch to it. I will say that I will have to probably take in the top portion of this because it is a little bit big. I'm usually a small up top and then a medium on the bottom. So if you're like me, this will still work for you because it's more of like a jumpsuit, so you can just wear like a bandeau underneath it. For me, I wore a tan lacy bandeau, so it kind of just goes with the muted tones of this jumpsuit. I like how the belt part is kind of ruched at the sides here, or just all around actually, and it also has a built-in belt that comes with it. So next thing that I tried on was the Dusty Mauve Hot Shot pants, and also the top. I got the top was $32 and then the bottom was $52. So this is how the top looks. I actually got the top in a size small because I'm not very big up top and it fits me perfectly. It's a nice satin material and it's got pinstripes on it, which is a really good detail. This feels so comfortable on me, and I was really scared because I thought that the pants were going to be too small, but I did do a whole size check on the website, so I was still scared though. Also, the ends of the pants are really long, but it comes with a detachable end piece to it, but I kind of like it long. I like wearing it with really pointy shoes, and I love how it's got a little elastic band in the pants because it's just really easy and comfortable to wear. You won't feel like getting tight or anything during the night if you're trying to eat something. I feel like this is a perfect event going out night outfit that's really, really comfortable. You could also, if it's cold outside, you could pair it together with like a nice black blazer, or even a white one would actually be really cute. Or if it's just warm enough, you can just wear it without it. I think it looks great either way. I had to go ahead and grab this because it was on sale and the pieces are sold separately. And I wanted both of them to wear together. So yeah. So the next thing I got was the Virgo dress. This is just a really nice, tightly fitted, business looking attire. It kind of, you could probably wear it to an event as well. I probably wouldn't wear it to work unless I had like a cardigan over it or something, or a nice blazer. But this just fits really well. I also like how on the armpit area, it doesn't show like the folds that go on here. Not that it's a bad thing, but it does cover that up really nicely. I feel like most of her pieces do that. Jen, if you guys don't know, she's the creator of this brand, but it just fits so nice. It fits in all the right places, and also there are a lot of dresses that have slits in the front that don't have them in the back, so it's just really hard to bend down or to sit down with it, but this has them on both sides so that you still have enough room to move your legs, which is really, really good. I also like how it comes in with a built-in belt to help cinch your figure. Even though this is already a very tailored piece, it just really helps to keep everything in even better. I will say though, I could have gone for the medium. This is a little bit small, but I didn't want the top area to be too big, and that's what usually ends up happening whenever I do order medium-sized dresses. So I usually have to stick with small, but if I end up losing a little bit of weight here and there, this will definitely fit me perfectly. But as of now, it's a little bit tight. But it still has a nice stretch to it to where it will fit. It's called the Virgo dress. The original price of it ended up being $58. And yeah, so I don't know what I actually paid for these. It doesn't really say on the receipt. Okay, and then the last piece that I got was this cute little cropped puff sleeve top. And it's actually got some holes on the side so that your shoulders kind of show through. And this is called the striped top in black and white. And I got this in a size small. It's got a little elastic for the sleeves here so that's not really tight on your shoulders, which I definitely love. And the backing has a zipper so you can zip it all the way down just to put it on. To me, it was just a lot easier than having to kind of put it over my head. I can just literally open the zipper here and just put it on in the front and then turn it and then put it on. So it was super, super easy. This is a really comfortable top as well. And I forgot that my friend Susie was also wearing this one while we were in Japan. And I had to go ahead and get it because it's just super cute. Kind of has like a very casual yet girly look to it. Just because of the puff sleeves here, it just adds a really nice element to the whole piece. I probably would wear this with like either a long skirt or shorts like I did in the video, or I could do like a nice pair of like high-waisted jeans or something. I usually go with a high-waisted bottom to wear with a crop top anyway. This price was $32 originally, so it is kind of pricey, but the material is also very good. I'm not sure if y'all can tell. I don't really know what this is. It's kind of almost reminds me of like a linen material. Yeah, I'm not really sure, but it's also got elastic at the ends of the sleeves, which is really nice. That's pretty much it for this haul, you guys. I hope that you guys liked this video. I know it's pretty short, but I didn't want to get too many things because this was right when we were about to get into quarantine, so I wasn't really sure that I wanted to buy a bunch of pieces to wear in my house. I'm not going to be going anywhere, but they were having sales, so I thought, why not? And I can definitely wear it whenever this thing blows over. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. I have a lot more content coming up very soon because I have a lot more time on my hands and I'm finally settled in moving in. Stay tuned for that. I might try to do a live stream here and there just talking about what's going on because there is a lot happening right now in the media, all that stuff. And I feel like just being able to talk to everyone online, it's just helpful to, it's really good comfort, I guess, because we know that we're in this together. You're not alone in this. And I feel like the less interaction that we have with other people, it just makes us feel more isolated and a lot less hopeful. Yeah. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day. Hope you like this haul. Be sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like this video, and go ahead and subscribe if you like my videos as well. Bye.